Welcome back to my channel. Just gonna tour y'all around Alphaland. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been working here, been running up the personal training business here. I'm gonna tour y'all around the gym. Without further ado, let's get it. As you guys can see, this is the front end and retail area. As soon as you walk in, if you guys are familiar with the gym, you know about the clothing. We got the clothing right there. Pretty much every single drop that Alphaland releases or whatever as far as clothing is pretty much in here. We pretty much get all the clothing here in the actual building and facility here at the gym. Over here, if you guys are familiar with the Alphaland brand, you also pretty much know about the Inaka brand, Buff Bunny, Sour Strips, and 3D. We have all of these here. Pretty much all the Inaka clothing, same deal. We pretty much get it all, every release pretty much. We got Buff Bunny collection right in here, clothing for the women. Sour Strips candy right here. Sour Strips candy, you've probably seen this in the store. Everyone wonders, bro, why is this candy here? It's because the owner of Sour Strips is actually very good close friends with Christian Guzman. And whenever he started this candy company that you see everywhere, he let him just pretty much just sell it here. So we got the Sour Strips on deck, all the flavors. Because we major around here for real. So that's pretty much the front end area. We're gonna tour you guys around the rest of the facility. Let's go. So here we have the lounge and retail area. So if you want to come here, let's say for instance you got a day pass and you needed some work, or you needed to work, you can absolutely get that done here at the workstations that they provide. Just some more seating areas right here. This right here is Alpha Eats. Pretty much healthy meal prep options, and then of course maybe stuff that you need to stay away from that you can order back there if you're on a diet. But they do have some healthy options here, right here in this refrigerator, as far as meal preps go. If you're on your diet, it's probably what you need to get, right? Men's room, women's room. Mo, you can show them the women's room. You can't come in the men's. I'll see you guys on the other side. So this is Gym 1. Pretty much here in Gym 1, before I continue, we have 3 gyms. Fun fact, there's 3 gyms here. This is Gym 1. So each gym has a different vibe. I'm just gonna tour you guys around and explain the difference in every single gym along with the entire campus, okay? So Gym 1, pretty much all the equipment that you'll see in your typical commercial gym, we pretty much have in here. So typically, you know, Gym 1 is pretty packed, especially if it's hot outside like now. But Gym 2 is really where the vibe is at if you're a straight bodybuilder or if you're a content creator, which is where we would head right now. But before I do, let me show you guys the cardio area. So here, we're still in Gym 1. This is just the upstairs area. This is where all our cardio equipment is located. We have everything from treadmills to ellipticals to Stairmasters, bikes, assault bikes, and this big strip of turf right here so you can warm up and cool down pre and post workout. On to Gym 2 we go. So, I absolutely forgot about the studio. You need good friends. Everyone needs a Mo in their life, because she reminded me. Show them the studio. This is the studio right here in Gym 1. We do have spin bikes in here. We do host classes in here, so if you guys ever got a membership. Huh? Yeah, people pose in here, all of that. That's what the mirrors are typically here for, so people can get their posing in. And I'm gonna show you guys the posing room later because we have another one, but this is the studio. If you guys ever get a membership here, all of the classes that we host here are completely complimentary here in the studio. Now, we go into gym 2. Welcome to gym 2. You guys see the vibe. Do I really need to explain, man? Do I really need to explain? So as you guys can see, in gym 1, nobody had their shirts off. Gym 1, you need to keep your shirt on. Gym 2, as you can see, you have so many people, hopefully just men only, with their shirts off. So you will see that here in gym 2, but pretty much this is that warehouse bodybuilding vibe, no AC vibe that some people like, some people don't like. But we offer both gyms here for the people that don't really like being outdoors or being around people flexing, posing in the mirror, whatever the case may be. So this is gym 2. Same thing as far as the equipment, pretty much everything that we have in gym 1, we have in here. All right, so you guys see the vibe here. That's why they call this place the Disneyland of fitness. So many like-minded people here. As far as content creators, entrepreneurs go, I mean, you pretty much get it all here. You get a taste of everything as far as the gym goes. Right here, we had this big strip of turf, outdoor turf. A lot of people come out here. Again, they do posing in these mirrors right here, get content, record workouts, get sun, just the ultimate vibe. Right in here is our mobility and warm-up area. So pretty much this is where everyone warms up and cools down. Here in gym 2, as in comparison to gym 1, you had that turf. Downstairs, people warmed up on, cooled down on, stretched on, and then the area upstairs with the turf. But pretty much as far as that stuff goes in that category, this is pretty much it right here in gym 2. Shout out to Dr. Lakin. If you got aching bones, hit her up, man. Alpha Chiro. Best chiropractor here in Houston, man. Book with her. Let's get it. Dr. Lakin take care of whatever is aching. But here we go. We have a men and women's room right here. And then we have 3 unisex restrooms right here. More mirrors right here. You can turn the camera. But more mirrors right here. People come right here, pose, do TikToks right here, whatever the case may be. So that's what this area is right here. Right here, this is where I do people up and break their ankles. We got gym, excuse me. Right here is where I do everyone up and break their ankles. This is court 1 right here. If any of you guys want to play a one-on-one, just hit me up and I'm gonna show y'all why they call me the best basketball player here. All right, so that's court 1. Right over here, we have court 2. Sound good, sound good? Oh yeah, and guys, what is this right here? I guess open? Yeah, guys, we just opened up a volleyball area. If you're into volleyball, we had that here too. Beach volleyball, sand volleyball, we have it. All right, so we actually do have a league starting out. Say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. I'm filming for YouTube, bro, like I told you.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, wow, sorry. Yeah, Adam, it's your turn. We getting all of this. I hope you are.
Tag on Instagram, YouTube is The Black Adam, THEBLKADAM. Follow me, y'all.
Let's go. But yeah. I know, right? Put them on there, the text.
If I feel like it,
But I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna finish up.
all right, y'all.
All right, man, what happened to your hand, bro? I pretty much see them pretty much every day. What up, Ken? Say what's up to the YouTube, bro. Yeah, we plugging everybody today, man. But yeah, I'm gonna leave their tags in the video as well, but that was Rachel and Adam. I pretty much see them every day when I'm here working, here training clients. Good networking. everyone plugging themselves. You get around the right people, like-minded people. This is the environment for you, especially if you're trying to network. What is this boy talking about? I'm talking about how I just plugged you, bro, early in the video. Yeah. Molet Perfumes.
Absolutely.
Get with them.
Be able to get you smelling good, looking good, feeling good, and you'll be able to feel good too.
Already. I'm gonna finish up, bro.
That-
Already. Yes, sir.
Appreciate the support.
Already. But yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is court 2. And last but not least, we have the outdoor area that you guys just seen, and we have Gym 3. So Gym 3, fun fact about Gym 3, pretty much all the equipment that you're seeing here, the owner, Christian Guzman, this is what he had in his very first space, so he just wanted to replicate it here in this small, intimate area. And right here towards the back, we have posing room number 1. Boom, we have posing room number 2. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you see me get a lot of posing videos in here. Whenever I was on prep last year, when I did 4 shows and put my body through absolute hell, this is where I practiced. And shout out to Adrian Stover. My guy's doing great things, showing these people out here how to pose. So, yo, I don't know if that's 1 or 2, or if this is 1 or 2, but we got 2 rooms. Full football field right here. 2 big soccer goals. What more can you ask for? We got the tires if you about that life, if you about that dog work. Y'all be out here flipping tires and stuff. I do sometimes, but not an everyday thing, you know what I'm saying? But we have it here. All right, guys, so we are making our way to the last area that I absolutely skipped. But I'm gonna show y'all, it's just one more outdoor area. We're making our way to the kettlebell, an outdoor area, and ramps. Here we have it, the outdoor area, kettlebells, TRX bands, boxes right here to get your box jumps or your step-ups in with. More tires right here, but these are meant to stay on the turf. If you guys ever come here, please do not move them out to the concrete or take them anywhere else. Keep them here on the turf. Got some sleds right here. I don't know what's going on this wall right here, but it's been rumored, don't quote me on this, but it's been rumored, this is gonna be decked out with full-on mirrors. So, you know, this is just, again, for the content creators, for the people out here trying to look good. This is the gym, you network here. And, oh, we got the speed ramps right here. On your mark. Get somebody to say that, I get real. You guys can tell what I haven't been doing, and that's sprinting and running. But yeah, if you guys are into that stuff, man, we got 3 of them. This right here is the steepest. That's the second steepest, and then boom, we have that one. Whew. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Okay. Yeah. So without further ado, guys, that's pretty much the entire gym. There's actually so much more building to show y'all. We have a headquarters here. We have a VIP lounge here that I don't even have access to. But we have so much here. That's pretty much the gym. If you guys are interested in memberships, hit me up. I can get you a discount. And if you about that work and need a trainer here in the Houston area or an online coach, hit me up. All right, y'all. We back out here on the patio. Just finished a quick chest workout. Got a little bit of try-in. I have one more recline on the way. We're refilling right here with this lean body. Quick 40 grams of protein. That's gonna wrap up this video. You guys be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok. Follow the Hardpoint Athletics page. I do have some clothing releasing here pretty soon. We definitely gonna keep that rolling. Putting more effort into growing the clothing business. That is the clothing page, Hardpoint Athletics, right there on the screen. I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay locked in. This is where we're growing the business at, baby. Y'all come say what's up, book your consult, all that. Bye.